Grow your own broccoli from seed to supper. Imagine biting into a crisp, fresh floret of broccoli grown right in your own backyard. It's easier than you think. In this video, we'll guide you through every step of growing delicious broccoli at home, from tiny seed to a satisfying supper. Let's dive into the wonderful world of broccoli. There are many varieties to choose from, each with its own unique characteristics. From the familiar green to vibrant purple and even creamy white, broccoli offers a rainbow of options for your garden and your plate. For beginners, we highly recommend Green Comet or Marathon. These varieties are known for their reliability, disease resistance, and excellent yields. They're a great starting point for your broccoli growing journey. Timing is key when it comes to growing broccoli. Broccoli thrives in cool weather, making early spring or late summer the ideal planting seasons. Avoid the heat of summer, as it can cause the plants to bolt, go to seed prematurely. To get a head start your seeds indoors about 6 weeks before the last expected frost. This will give your seedlings a strong foundation before transplanting them into the garden. Alternatively, you can direct sow seeds once the soil has warmed up in the spring. Broccoli needs the right environment to flourish. Well-drained, fertile soil is essential for healthy growth. Amend your soil with compost or other organic matter to improve its structure and nutrient content. The ideal soil pH for broccoli is between 6.0 and 6.5. You can test your soil pH with a simple kit from your local garden center. Broccoli also needs plenty of sunlight, at least 6 hours per day. Choose a sunny spot in your garden where your plants will receive ample light. Whether you're transplanting seedlings or direct sowing seeds, proper spacing is crucial. Give your broccoli plants enough room to grow and develop. Seedlings should be spaced 24 inches apart to allow for adequate air circulation and sunlight penetration. If you're direct sowing, plant seeds about 1/2 inch deep and 12 inches apart. Once the seedlings emerge, thin them out to the recommended spacing. This will ensure that each plant has enough space to thrive. Consistent watering is essential for healthy broccoli growth. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Water deeply and regularly, especially during dry spells. Broccoli is a heavy feeder, so it needs regular fertilization. Use a balanced fertilizer every few weeks to provide your plants with the nutrients they need. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package for proper application rates. Like all garden vegetables, broccoli can be susceptible to pests and diseases. Common pests include aphids and cabbage worms. These critters can quickly decimate your plants if left unchecked. Fortunately, there are many organic pest control methods you can use. Insecticidal soap is effective against aphids, while neem oil can help control cabbage worms. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests and diseases, and take action promptly. The moment you've been waiting for. Knowing when to harvest your broccoli is key to enjoying its best flavor and texture. Harvest when the heads are firm and the florets are tightly packed. If the florets start to open and turn yellow, it's time to harvest immediately. To harvest, cut the head 6 inches below the florets with a sharp knife. This will encourage the plant to produce smaller side shoots, extending your harvest. Enjoy your fresh broccoli in salads, stir-fries, or steamed as a side dish. Want to maximize your broccoli harvest? Try succession planting. Plant new seeds or seedlings every 2-3 weeks for a continuous supply of fresh broccoli. This will ensure that you always have a crop ready to harvest. Don't forget about the side shoots. After harvesting the main head, the plant will produce smaller side shoots. These are just as delicious as the main head and can be harvested as they mature. Broccoli also freezes well, so you can enjoy your harvest year-round. Simply blanch the florets for a few minutes, then freeze them in airtight containers. Growing your own broccoli is a rewarding experience that provides you with fresh, healthy produce. With a little patience and the right techniques, you can enjoy delicious broccoli straight from your garden. Remember to choose the right variety, provide adequate sunlight and water, and protect your plants from pests and diseases. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your experiences. Gardening is a journey, and every season brings new opportunities to grow and improve. Now it's your turn. Get out there, plant some broccoli, and enjoy the fruits, or rather, vegetables, of your labor. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. We're here to help you grow your best garden yet. Also, check out our other videos on related topics and connect with us on social media. Happy gardening!